Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, we're going to be giving away a $100 voucher for Alibaba to our 1,000th subscriber, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're going to explore 12 unique small-scale manufacturing ideas that you might not have heard of before. These ideas involve machines that are less commonly known, but can be purchased on Alibaba. So if you're looking to start a unique and profitable venture, stick around because we've got some exciting options for you. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Wooden sunglasses production. Combining craftsmanship with style, crafting unique wooden sunglasses is a business venture that appeals to both fashion-conscious consumers and eco-friendly enthusiasts. You'll need CNC routing and precision woodworking equipment to create these statement accessories. Starting this business may require an investment of $8,000 to $15,000, which includes the machinery, wood, and finishing materials. Wooden sunglasses have a niche but growing market, especially among consumers who appreciate sustainable fashion choices. Number 2. Custom skateboard deck press. If you're passionate about skateboarding, why not turn that passion into a business? Building a hydraulic press for custom skateboard deck manufacturing allows you to cater to skateboarders looking for personalized designs. Skateboarders often seek unique graphics and shapes to stand out at the skate park. The setup cost for this venture is approximately $6,000 to $10,000, covering the cost of the press and skateboard deck materials. Skateboarding is more than a sport. It's a lifestyle, and custom deck options can resonate with a dedicated and loyal customer base. Number 3. Pasta extrusion machine. Have you ever dreamed of making artisanal and customized pasta shapes for local restaurants and food enthusiasts? With a small-scale pasta extrusion machine, your culinary dreams can become a reality. These machines are designed to handle various pasta types, from traditional spaghetti to unique spiraled pastas. The initial setup cost for a pasta extrusion business can range from $5,000 to $10,000. This budget covers the cost of the machine itself, which typically starts at around $3,000, as well as initial ingredient purchases, packaging materials, and potential marketing expenses. The pasta market is vast and diverse, offering opportunities to cater to local restaurants, food festivals, and food enthusiasts who appreciate the art of pasta making. Number 4. Bamboo straw production. In an era where sustainability is a top priority, producing bamboo straws is an environmentally conscious business idea. These straws serve as an excellent alternative to plastic straws and offer a unique touch to any beverage. A bamboo processing machine is your key to producing these eco-friendly straws efficiently. Setting up a bamboo straw production venture can cost approximately $8,000 to $10,000, considering the expenses for the machine itself, bamboo stock, and packaging materials. The demand for eco-friendly products is on the rise, making this business idea not only sustainable, but also profitable. Number 5. Recycled paper production. Do you have a passion for recycling and crafting? Transforming old newspapers and cardboard into handmade recycled paper is a creative and eco-conscious venture. A small paper recycling machine will be your workhorse in this business, turning waste into beautiful, sustainable paper for craft purposes. The initial investment for recycled paper production ranges from $10,000 to $12,000, covering the cost of the recycling machine and initial supplies. This business can cater to craft enthusiasts, schools, and businesses looking for eco-friendly packaging and stationery options. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button to be in with a chance of winning a $100 Alibaba voucher. Number 6. Custom rubber stamp manufacturing. Personalization is a growing trend in various industries. With a laser cutting and engraving machine, you can create custom rubber stamps for businesses, individuals, and crafters. These stamps can bear unique designs, logos, or personalized messages, making them a valuable asset for various occasions. To start this business, you'll need an investment of approximately $5,000 to $8,000. This budget covers the cost of the laser cutting and engraving machine, as well as rubber stamp materials. The market for custom rubber stamps is diverse, serving businesses in need of branding solutions and individuals seeking personalized gifts. Number 7. Metal dice fabrication. Precision metal dice sets for tabletop gaming enthusiasts are both visually striking and functional. To create these unique dice, you'll need a metalworking lathe and milling machine. The precision required for gaming dice demands high-quality machinery, Starting this venture may require an investment of $7,000 to $12,000, including the machinery and metal stock. The tabletop gaming community is passionate about their craft, and custom metal dice can become prized possessions for gamers. Number 8. Miniature terrarium greenhouses. If you have a green thumb and a creative spirit, designing and producing small, decorative terrarium greenhouses could be your calling. These charming mini greenhouses cater to plant enthusiasts who want to bring nature indoors. To create them, you'll need glass cutting and assembly machines. The initial investment for this business is typically $4,000 to $7,000, which covers the equipment and initial supplies. As urban living spaces become more compact, miniature terrarium greenhouses provide an ideal solution for plant lovers looking to maximize their indoor greenery. Number 9. Mushroom cultivation equipment. The trend of growing gourmet mushrooms at home is on the rise. By creating mushroom growing kits and equipment, including substrate mixers and grow bags, you can tap into this growing market. Home mushroom cultivation is not only fun, but also provides fresh, organic produce. Starting this venture may require an investment of $6,000 to $10,000, which includes machinery and initial supplies. The market for mushroom growing kits extends to culinary enthusiasts, health-conscious consumers, and those interested in sustainable food sources. Number 10. Stuffed animal manufacturing. The world of stuffed animals and plush toys is vast and varied. By making customized stuffed animals using sewing machines and embroidery equipment, you can tap into this market. Whether it's a personalized gift or a unique addition to a collection, these stuffed animals hold sentimental value. You can start this business with an investment of $4,000 to $8,000, including sewing machines and fabric. The stuffed animal market caters to collectors, gift shops, and parents seeking personalized toys for their children. Number 11. Bicycle frame building jig. For bicycle enthusiasts, riding a custom-built bike is a dream come true. By developing a bicycle frame building jig, you can offer cyclists unique and tailored frame designs. Cyclists looking for a one-of-a-kind ride will appreciate your craftsmanship. The setup cost for this venture is approximately $7,000 to $12,000, covering the cost of the jig and frame building materials. The bicycle market includes not only cyclists, but also bike shops and enthusiasts willing to invest in a custom-built masterpiece. Number 12. Concrete countertop molds. Concrete countertops are a modern and customizable choice for kitchens and bathrooms. By creating custom concrete countertop molds using CNC machining, you can offer personalized countertop solutions to homeowners and businesses. Starting this business typically requires an investment of $5,000 to $10,000, including the CNC machine and materials. The market for concrete countertops extends to interior designers, homeowners, and businesses seeking unique and durable surfaces. Now remember, these unique manufacturing ideas can help you stand out in niche markets. But it's essential to thoroughly research your target audience and ensure there's demand for your products in your area or online. Additionally, always consider the necessary training and safety precautions when working with specialized machines. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be in with a chance of winning a $100 Alibaba voucher. See you next time.